Today I am reviewing the Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a desktop that combines power, versatility, and future-ready performance, the Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250 is an excellent choice. Designed for both business and creative professionals, this tower is built to handle everything from heavy multitasking to content creation, while keeping a sleek and modern design that fits perfectly in a home office or professional workspace. At the heart of this system is the Intel Core Ultra 7-265 processor, a cutting-edge CPU that leverages built-in AI to optimize performance across a wide range of applications. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, running multiple software programs simultaneously, or tackling creative projects like video editing and graphic design, the processor ensures everything runs smoothly. With AI acceleration, this desktop can intelligently allocate resources, providing faster load times and more responsive performance for the tasks that matter most. Supporting the processor is a massive 32 gigabytes of high-speed memory, allowing effortless multitasking and smooth operation even when several applications or browser tabs are open. Combined with a 1 terabyte M.2 SSD, you get lightning-fast boot times, instant access to files, and plenty of storage for documents, media projects, and applications. The M.2 SSD not only speeds up everyday workflows, but also ensures your desktop feels responsive and capable in demanding scenarios. Graphics performance is handled by integrated UHD graphics, which is ideal for everyday tasks, multimedia content, and productivity applications. While this isn't a dedicated gaming setup, it delivers clear, sharp visuals from multiple monitors, presentations, and video playback, making it perfect for professional or hybrid work environments. Speaking of monitors, the Dell Tower Desktop supports multiple displays, allowing connections of up to 4 full HD monitors through DisplayPort with daisy chaining, or 2 4K monitors using HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort. This makes it ideal for multitasking, financial analysis, creative workflows, or immersive productivity setups. One of the most user-friendly aspects of the Dell Tower Desktop is its tool-less design and removable side panel. This makes accessing internal components for upgrades or maintenance simple and stress-free. Whether you want to add more storage, upgrade memory, or swap components, Dell has made the process effortless, giving you flexibility and longevity in your investment. Security is another area where this desktop shines. With a hardware TPM security chip, your data is protected at a hardware level, keeping your sensitive information safe. There's also a built-in lock slot or padlock loop, allowing you to physically secure your tower when you step away from your desk. These security features make the ECT1250 well-suited for professional offices, remote work setups, or shared environments where protecting your hardware and data is critical. Dell also places a strong emphasis on design and sustainability. The tower features a modern, sleek look with refined corners and is crafted using recycled materials, seamlessly combining elegance with environmental consciousness. It's a desktop that looks professional on your desk, while also reflecting a commitment to sustainability, making it an ideal choice for modern workspaces. To round out the package, Dell includes a wired keyboard and mouse, so you're ready to go out of the box. The desktop comes with Windows 11 Home, providing a user-friendly interface and full compatibility with the latest applications and productivity tools. On top of that, Dell offers basic on-site service for 1 year, meaning if an issue covered by the limited hardware warranty cannot be resolved remotely, a Dell technician will come to your home, office, or location of choice, providing peace of mind and professional support. Overall, the Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250 is a powerhouse built for professionals who need performance, versatility, and reliability. With its Intel Core Ultra 7-265 processor, 32 gigabytes RAM, 1 terabyte M.2 SSD, multiple monitor support, and robust security features, this desktop is perfect for business users, content creators, and anyone looking to future-proof their workstation. Combine that with a stylish, sustainable design and Dell's reliable service, and you have a desktop that is not just a tool, but a dependable partner for your work and creative projects.